Good morning. You're watching Fox 46. Good day, Charlotte.
Parenting is hard. We know that. Kids do not come with instruction manuals, and there is not a single parenting book out there on how to tackle behavior and discipline during a quarantine, or anything else for that matter. Joining us this morning to discuss, pediatrician Dr. Anna Maria Temple with 5 things to try at home to restore sanity on both sides. And you have some good stuff in here. We're a little short on time, so I'm going to jump right in. You say number 1, to start your day with small victories. What do you mean by that?
Well, we're going to have to put away our day jammies, and we're going to have to actually get dressed and do our hair, make your bed, because now you've made your little victories. So now you're going to be more successful for the rest of the day.
I couldn't agree more. I love it. Reshaping the outdoor experience. A lot of us are trying to get our kids off screens and outside. How do you recommend we do that?
Simple tip is good. I call marble parenting. So for every minute that they go outside, they earn a marble or a penny, and you're going to have a jar. And then every minute outside equals 1 minute of screen time. And then they don't have any other screen time throughout the day unless they've played outside and they have actually built some collateral, and they will pay you. So if they have 30 marbles or 30 pennies, then they earn 30 minutes of screen time.
I love that. Okay, this next one hit me because I think anybody who lives in a home that was built, I don't know, after like the 90s or sometime in the 2000s, you have the open floor plan, right? Which means basically what I've realized being home this much is you're always in your kitchen. So the snack monsters are a real thing.
I mean, it is constant. It's like snack, snack, snack,
Yes.
snack, snack. All day, right? And then they're like trying to tame it down because nobody wants to be in the kitchen 24 hours a day. So here's a simple trick. Have the kids make a sign, a red sign that says closed, and then a green sign that says open. And every 2 hours, you open the kitchen and you put the green sign out. And then the rest of the time, you keep the red sign out. So the people know when to ask for food, and it will decrease your need to continuously say either no, 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 or oh my gosh, I got to do more dishes and get more snacks.
Some people naturally like to pass these days. I could sit the whole day and just read a book, sit outside and do that, or enjoy it on my couch. One of my kids is like that. The others are not. What can you do to help them still kind of get some reading in for the kids who don't naturally want to do that? Because that's something you can do if you sort of keep that as a homeschool standard, at least a little bit of reading.
Correct. And then, I agree. Some kids like literally bleed from the eyes if they have to read, but I am not above bribing. So for my one that had a difficult time starting, we said for every book you complete and give us a summary, you're excused from doing dishes that day, because doing dishes in my household is equal to hard labor. But for other kids, it may be that you can do virtual books, but just get creative in making reading fun with an ulterior motive, if you will.
Dr. Anna Maria Temple, we are out of time. Number 5, though, is manage your expectations. Give yourself a break, basically. Give yourself a little bit of a grace period and set those standards maybe a little bit lower. So thank you so much for the time. We love the perspective you bring, and we'll talk with you again soon. We'll be back with you again soon, too. Take a quick one. See you back here in 2 minutes.